beloved, your angel guidance for today is about self-worth. Self-worth bestows a sense of confidence, expectation of success, and ability to love. Decide on clear boundaries and limits, and firmly decline to let others step over them, or manipulate you. When you value yourself, you become open and friendly, slow to take offense, and quick to forgive. Remind yourself that you are likable and lovable. Do not let others press your buttons. Stand tall and confident. With true self-worth, you radiate a golden aura, which enfolds others, and makes them feel good too. Ask your guardian angel to step into your aura and guide you. Affirmation for you today: I am confident and worthwhile. Sending you God's love and light today.